A very good morning to class 7 student. Class 7 student, this is Sunil. It's your computer period. Now, before starting the chapter, I hope all of you are fit and fine. Take care yourself through coronavirus. All of you wash your hands time to time so that uh, you have to take these precautions so that you can't be able to catch by the coronavirus. So now we are in the second chapter, more on MS Windows 10. This one is your second chapter. In second chapter we already talk about the changes view of file and folders. Changing views of file and folders. Yes, we can change the views of the file and folders itself. If we want to extra large, medium or small icons, we can. We have these options in the settings to change the views of the folders or the file. So in the same manner, we are coming in the next point is list. All of you have seen the list in your mobile phone itself. Also mobile functions are also functioning similar to the computer as well. List view display all the file folders on the list. Proceed. Yes, it happens. List view display all the files folders as a list preceding by a small icons. Yeah, it's showing as small icons like this. This is help in the file and folder in a large number. Yes, it can shows in a large numbers. So this one is all about the list. You also have seen whenever you are going to open any particular app or application or a type of file or a folder, you get so many small icons over there. Content means, before learning this point, I tell you the meaning of content. Content means the words which are described in between the title, in below the title, is called the content. Means, if I am going to describe you about the list is the heading, and the below this the written words like list view display the files and folders at the list. Proceed by small icons. This is help in if the files and the folders are in a large number. This one is the content. Content means the matter which is written under the headings. That one is called content. So I hope all of you understand. So content. What is content? This view display the files and folders in a list format with extra details and above each file and folder, like the date and time when we it last modified, type of the file and size of the file also. That means these things are already available on the file folder also. Means whenever you are going to open in that particular file, if you want to look that when I last modified that file, you can check it out through right click of the mouse. Just just click on the right mouse button, then you get options over there. Last modified, typed of the file, and the size of the file, all the options are available over there. You have to click on the right mouse right button. After that, what had happened, automatically a pop-up menu appear and you have to click on properties window. You get all the sizes, all the details in front of you. So this one is all about the content. Now moving forward to the next topic. The next topic is details. All of you aware about the details. Details means this view display each file folder in a distinct row with detail, like an author of the file, name of the computer where the file folder and was created. Means if you are going to create any file or a folder, that means you are the author. Date and time when it was last modified, type of the file and the size of the file. Yes, it's showing the type of the file, and the last modify date. And if you're not going to check out that one also, no issue. The extension of the file indicates you software you in which software you modified or make that particular file. Tiles. What are tiles? The view displays file folder as icon. This view display file or folder as icons. In this view, the icons are larger than icons in list details view. Yes, tiles. All of you have seen this one option is available in your mobile phones also. If you want to look your folders in a tile position, you can click on, just take a click on that particular tile option. It automatically your file and folders are automatically arranged on a type of tiles. Then short by. Short by. Before reading this one short by, I tell you one thing. Short by means sometimes what had happened, we made so many file or folders, but the thing is that they are looking like very hodgepodge. But if we want to arrange these files or those files, we can arrange it. What we have to do, we have to just click a right button of the mouse, then arrange icons, arrange file or folders. We have these options in a right mouse button. Whenever we are going to click, automatically one pop-up menu appeared on your computer screen. Arrange icons. Then after clicking on arrange icon, automatically you get one option over there, A to Z or Z to A. That means you want to arrange your icons in a alphabetical order or in Z to A order, descending order. They are called shorting. Shorting means alphabetically or descending order, ascending order or descending order. It's your choice. So whenever you are going to click on the options, it's automatically get arranged by the computer. So computer having this type of facility. Now I'm going to read this one short by. This button of the View tab help to arrange the file or folders in various options. The folder are displaying as per the selection made in the menu of Sort By. The folders can be displayed in ascending or descending order or of folder file name. So whatever you have named that file, it arrange your file in the same manner. So this one is called ascending or descending order, sorted by. Means if you want to sort that particular files, you can. So these options are available in the computer only. Right, now moving forward to the view tab means whenever you are going to view something, whatever the things are, if you are going to view some files, you can. If you are going to view some folders, you can. So view tab also provide with two additional panes, like uh, other than the navigation plane. There are two type of navigation panes. Navigation means in which way you want to look. The one is preview pane and detail pane. Preview pane means before making a file or folder, before making it, what we are going to do, after making a file or a folder, we are going to check out that whatever I have made, I just want to check that whether it's wrong or correct. So we are taking a preview. That means checking once again. So that preview is uh, that. So means you are going to check once again. And detail pane, which are displaying if required. Only one pane among two is displayed. Preview pane. Now we are going to learn these things uh, in detail. Preview pane. Preview pane is what? This pane is added to the right side of the file explorer window when we select a file in the main layout. We can preview it content in the preview pane if they are text, images, or videos. So you can check it out through print preview. Through print preview, we have to preview pane, we have to check it out that whether we have done in correct manner or not. If it's not in correct manner, what we have to do, we can modify it. We if we want to edit it, we can, but after arranging it, after detailing it, we can't be able to change, we can't be able to edit it. So that's why we are take a look through a preview pane. Now moving forward to the next one, details pane. What is details pane? This is also known as this is also show on the right side of the File Explorer window. This pane displays more information about each file, such as its size and date, the date it was created and the date it was last modified. The fields of data show in the pane vary from file or folder. Right, detailed panes mean whenever you are going to click on that detailed pane, what had happened, automatically it shows you the what it show you, it shows you that in which date you created the same file, what is the size of the file, and what is the extension of the file, and the date it was last modified of data shown in the pane. It shows in detail pane, right? So this one is all about the previous pane and detail pane. Now moving forward to libraries in the file explorer. Libraries in the file explorer. In a file explorer, there are so many libraries are there. All of you know the meaning of the library. Library meanings there are so many books or so many file and folders are there through which we can check out whatever we want, right? They are arranged in a proper manner, so it's not difficult for us to find it out anything over there. So libraries in the file explorer, library are collection of folders which are used for manage different content. These gather edit folders that are stored in different location, so we can explore them in one's place. Yes, we are going to explore in a one's place because it's very difficult to find it out anywhere. So what we have done, we have put all the data in one explorer. If you want to check it out, you just take a keyword related to that particular site, you can find it out automatically, you get the answer of that site, right? We can browse, yes, we can browse our file the same way as we would normally do in a folder. Library files are created during the ins- installation of Windows 10. Whenever the installation is done, Windows 10 is there, at that particular time period the library files are installed. To display the library, select the View tab in the File Explorer. Click on the Navigation pane. Through Navigation pane, we can navigate and also show libraries. Through Show Library, we can look the library also. So these are the options through which we can check it out the details. Library folder will appear in the navigation pane. Select library and folders will be displayed. So what had happened after that, double click on the library folder to view its content. If you want to view the content of the library folder, you can double click on that. The library categories, the music, pictures, video, and store them efficiently. Then the automatically get all the categories which are available in that library folder. We already categorized the library folder into the music, pictures, and videos. We submitted all the things distributed in a same manner, music, pictures, and videos, which is stored them efficiently. So this one is about the library in file explorer, libraries in file folders. We are making the libraries in a file folder also, right? So moving forward to the next, organize file and folders. We are organizing the file and folders. So students, now one question arise before reading this. One question arise that why we are going to arranging file organize files and folders. Did you know why we are going to organize file and folders? I think some of you know that we are going to organize file and folder because it's very necessary, because in our computer all of us are going to work with in a computer, and your mother and father, they are also working in your computer, so they also having some documents in the computer system. So if we are not going to arrange the things, we can't be able to find it out easily. It's very hard. So let us take an example is like that. uh, all of you having a home, right? In your home, all of you having, I think, a storeroom. All of you having a storeroom, all of you having a kitchen, all of you having a bedroom, like this, all of you having a washroom. So what we are going to do, we are putting our utensils in kitchen only. We are not putting our utensils in our bedroom. We are not putting our utensils in a bathroom. Yes, it happens. So they are what? They are organized because we organize all the things in a proper manner. Because if we want that thing, we have to go over there and collect it from that side. So everything having a definite or a perfect place. So we have to put that things on their perfect places. So same like that. Organize file and folders. We are going to organize the files and folders in a computer itself also. So let us read. File and folders need to be arranged methodically in our computer so that we can organize our data appropriately. In the advice to arrange the relevant file in a single folder and the relevant folder in another folder. For example, we would like to keep our all photographs in a single folder, songs in another folder, schoolwork in a work of our siblings is respectively folders. Imagine if all this is not placed in a different folders and they are just scattered in our computer, then what a chaos it would be. Yes, definitely it would a chaos, because we can't be able to find out our things. Whatever where are my photographs and where are my songs, where are my schoolwork, we don't know. Because of these folders, we know that where is my photograph and where is my schoolwork and where is my songs. So we know that because we already marked a folder by their names. Yes, to arrange our files into various folders, window previous provides us with options to creating a new folder, deleting unwanted folders and moving the folder. If you don't want that particular folder, whatever the folders are there, we have to delete them. Windows provide us with options of creating a new folder. We can create as many as folders in window. Yes, to make our work to be separated from the others, because it doesn't make a chaos, right? So student, that's all about today's class. So we already done organizing file and folders. All of you know that whenever we are going to organize the things in a proper manner is called organizing files and folders. This one is the example. It is advised to arrange a relevant file in a single folder and relevant folders into another folder. For example, this one is the example. Listen this carefully once again. We would like to keep our all photographs in a single folder, songs in another folder, schoolwork in and the work of our siblings in respective folders. Imagine if all this is not placed in different folders and they are just scattered in our computer, then what a chaos it would be. Yes, definitely it make a chaos for us. We can't be able to find out all the details wherever the work is there, where the work is. To arrange our files or various folders, window provides us with options to creating a new folder. If we want to save our file or folder, we can save it in a different folder, deleting unwanted folder and moving the folders also. We can move the folders as well. So student, that's all about today's class. I hope all of you understand this one. If you not be able to understand, please keep in touch with me. Call back me in my mobile number 9953630979 anytime, so that I make you more comfortable. I tell you the things very easily so that you can understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.